All right, join me while I walk you through how I make my chia pudding for my breakfast in the morning. All right, so first I'm gonna start with this organic super seed mix. I'm using 1/4 cup. Then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of almond milk, which I'll probably add more in a minute, we'll see. Okay, definitely adding more. I'm just adding what I've got left. Next thing I'm adding is a scoop of protein powder. Then I'm going to add about 1/2 a scoop of the PB2. Last but not least, I'm going to drizzle in some local honey for sweetener. From here, I'm just going to mix it up the best I can. And then I'll put the lid on, shake it up, and it goes in the refrigerator for the night. Lid on, nice shake. Oh, I need the spoon again. Let's get all those seeds. Much better. One more shake, and into the fridge it goes. There she goes. The longer it stays in the fridge, the thicker it'll be. And that's it. That's my chia pudding. I love it. My 8-year-old loves it. My 6-year-old, not so much, but it's really good and healthy. It'll have about 30-ish grams of protein. It's also going to have all the benefits of the chia seeds and the other mixtures. So it'll have some fiber, some omega-3s, and some healthy fats. So, and it's sweetened with honey. Yeah. If you give it a try, definitely comment and let me know that you did. I love it. I hope you do too.